Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Data Logics. Today we are going to look on data analysis in Excel, where we are going to know about cleaning and formatting the raw data. Second, we are going to look about the remove duplicate function. Third, we are going to look about how if functions work. Fourth, we are going to study the scatter diagram, and fifth will be the surprise for all of us where we can get to know one advanced feature of it. We can start with our first topic of cleaning and formatting. In this raw data, we can see that there are multiple blank rows, and for removing this blank row, we will be using a shortcut key of Ctrl G, which will open a command box of go to. In that, we have to go in special, where we have the option to select blank. After selecting it, all the blank rows will be selected, and we will be deleting this blank rows by pressing Ctrl and minus. This will give an option to shift cell up, by which the blank rows will be deleted easily. The next problem in our raw data is of the university ranking. The name of university is as per the rank, but the university ranking numbers are not as per the rank. For that, we will be selecting these two rows, and after double clicking on this, the numbers will automatically get changed and it will be arranged in a proper format. But to the next topic, here we can see the name of the university and location have been merged, and we have to separate these both the things. For that, we will be selecting the entire column, and after going to data, we can select text to column. Text to column will help us to separate the data by doing this step of name of university is different and location is now differentiated. After clicking next, both the cells has been totally unmerged, and after doing finish, we can see here that the name of university has been in one column and the location has came into the another column. This will help us to manage multiple data which are being merged, and we have to unmerge that data. Coming to the next part, here we can see that in the given A column, location is mentioned, but there is a duplicacy of location where we want to remove the duplicates and just maintain the unique count or the unique locations only. For doing this, we have to select the entire data. After selecting the entire data, we have to go in the data. After going to data, we'll be looking at remove duplicate column. After selecting remove duplicate, location will be selected, and after clicking on OK, we will get the exact count of duplicates values in the column and what are the unique count of values remaining in the column. Now, after that, if we want to know what is the average of the research score, for that, there is a simple formula which is equal to average. After selecting the average, we have to select the entire data of numbers, and we will be getting the average of total 15 named university. Now, moving forward, we will look if we want the grand total of overall score. For that, we have a basic formula of Excel which is equal to sum. After selecting this formula, we will be selecting the total. After clicking on enter, we will be getting the grand total. There is one more shortcut key for this, which is you have to just click on Alt and plus sign, which will be helping you in selecting the entire data and putting the formula in one go. Coming to the next, we will be learning how to use if function. If function helps us to, now we will be getting to know how we can use the if formula to know the teaching score is good or bad, and for that we will be putting some criteria of numbers, which is equal to if. After putting if, we will be selecting teaching score column G2. After selecting G2, we will be putting a greater than equal to sign, which will help us to take a greater than number for a specific reason, which is good or bad. Firstly, we will be putting greater than number. Okay. So, we will be putting 82 as a good number. So, we will be putting greater than 82 as a good number, comma, double inverted comma, good, double inverted comma, close, again double inverted comma, bad, and bracket close. After looking at the teaching score number, the solution which we got is good. After double clicking on this, we'll get to know which is the bad score, which is less than 82. There is only one bad score of 79.4, which is less than 82. The rest all are good score. In such a way, we can use multiple data sources and we can get our requirement fulfilled. Now, moving forward to our next topic of scatter diagram. Scatter diagram. What do you mean by a scatter diagram? It is a type of graph which is used to display and analyze the relationship between two numerical variables, which has various numerical which is used commonly for identifying the correlation between variables or spotting outliers or unusual points which will be reflecting in the diagram. It also helps us to see the trend suggestions, or it also helps to analyze the trend is negative, downward, or positive, upward. So, looking at the data, we will try to put a scatter diagram on this data. For that, we have to go in insert column. After moving to insert column, we will be going in recommended chart. After that, we will be selecting the entire data. After selecting the entire data, we will be moving in insert. After moving in insert, we will be going in scatter diagram. In scatter diagram, we will be selecting a scatter. In this, we will be getting the entire the requirement. In that, we will be just filtering what the two variables required by us. Now, we will be filtering few data points, which is first one is teaching score and second one is industry income, which will help us to identify the specific data. After that, we will be applying the data. After selecting the data, we will get to know the correlation between the teaching score and the industry income score. In that, we can also add a trend line, which will help us to analyze the trend of any specific data, where we can add a trend line on teaching score or industry income, whichever is required by us. So, we will be clicking on teaching score. These trend lines help us to know where the trend is. Is it moving upward or it is moving downward? So the last part of our day or of our topic, which is surprise for all of us, that is knowing a hidden feature, or you can say an advanced feature of Excel, which is camera. Looking at the data, you can select at the option of customize quick access toolbar. After clicking on that, you have to move over to more commands. After going to more commands, you will get to see a popular command text. You have to filter out that and select on all commands. After selecting the all command, you will have to search for camera. Here is the camera. After selecting the camera option, you just have to add. After selecting on camera, you just have to add. After clicking the add button, you get to see a camera option here, and you have to just click on OK. After clicking on OK, you will see a camera over here. After looking at the camera, you have to first select the entire data. After selecting the entire data, you have to click on camera and move to a new slide and just click on it. You can see an image on it. After looking at this, you will say, what is new in this? You are just copy pasting the data. No, but the magic is now. After coming back to the old sheet, if you change any number or if you change any name, for example, if we change the number of students of University of Oxford to 1, okay, after clicking on enter, if we go and check on the new slide, the number is automatically changed. If you want to change name in short form as UK, after clicking on enter, you can say the number on the another sheet has been changed. So this was the surprise for all of you, or an advanced feature of Excel which can help, or an advanced feature of Excel which can help you in future journey of Excel. Thank you so much.